Where's my little drummer boy? Welcome to Color Our World of Art. Today let's make this little drum kit using these materials. First, cut a piece of foam wider than the diameter of your chosen tin can. Next, place the foam on top of the tin can and wrap that doubled up rubber band around the foam on the top of the tin can to secure it. Cut the excess off using a pair of scissors. Next, you can decorate the body of the drum. In this example, we are sticking silver glitter tape and grey checkered washi tape around it. But you can use any decorations you like. We just find sticking washi tape on the quickest and safest option. Lastly, stick 2 skewers through 2 bottle corks to make drumsticks. Let your little inner drum boy out! Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.